In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center the header in Shopify. We'll walk through this step by step so you can adjust your store's header layout quickly and confidently without touching any code. By the end, your logo and navigation menu will be neatly centered, giving your store a cleaner and more professional look. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your products, orders, and the overall appearance of your store. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with different sections. Find the option labeled Online Store and click on it. When you open Online Store, you'll see a list of your themes. Your current live theme will be at the very top of this list, usually marked as the theme that's currently in use. Next to that active theme, look for the option that lets you edit or customize the theme. Click on that to open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, your screen will be divided into two main areas. On the right, you'll see a live preview of your store, and on the left, you'll see a panel with different sections you can edit. In that left panel, look for the section labeled Header. This is where all the settings for your logo, menu, and overall header layout are controlled. Click on the Header section to open its styling and editing options. Once the header settings are open, find the area related to your logo. There should be a setting for the logo position. Here, you'll see options like left, center, or right, depending on your theme. Select the option labeled Center so that your logo is aligned in the middle of the header. You should immediately see the change reflected in the preview on the right side. Next, look for the settings related to your menu, sometimes labeled as Main Menu or simply Menu. Within those menu settings, you'll see another option for position. Again, choose Center. This will move your navigation links into the center of the header, usually underneath or beside your logo, depending on your theme's layout. Now, take a moment to look at the live preview on the right. You should see both your logo and your menu centered in the header area. If everything looks the way you want, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. This step is crucial. If you forget to save, your changes won't appear on the live store, and that's it. You've successfully centered your header in Shopify.